Well, I know we've all been waiting for this event. This is the highlight of the Oktoberfest event. $132, $128, $114. I think we need to hand it over to our referee for the split decision.
The butchers did a fantastic job, really impressive on speed. I think we'll agree that you get a few more steaks from the TVI, which is quite important for a producer. But taking everything into account, the yield, the shape, the symmetry, the winner for this year's 2023 Man vs Machine goes to GMS 400.